Do you remember when you checked your bank account and genuinely wondered where all your money went? Not because you bought something crazy, but somehow your money always seemed to disappear every single month. And the worst part is that you're actually trying. You're working, cutting back on expenses, and telling yourself next month will be different. But somehow it never really changes year after year. And you can't just help but wonder if you'd ever be financially free. Now, if you can relate to this, make sure you watch this video to the end, because this could genuinely be one of the best finance videos you've ever seen. So let's get into it. If you are ever going to be financially free, the first and most important thing is that you need to earn money. This is the first and probably the most important part, because if you don't get money, then there's no financial system that can actually help you. Now, after you start getting the cash flow, you need a system that keeps your money, protects your money, and ultimately grows your money.
Now, protect your money. When you get money, the next thing you need to do is to protect your money. Because there's no point trying to build anything if you keep losing money unnecessarily every month. So protect your money. Go through your subscriptions, all the streaming services, apps, and free trials that quietly became monthly payments, and everything like that. Scroll through your bank app and check all your transactions carefully. Anything you haven't used in the last month? Cancel it immediately. You'd be shocked how many people recover serious money just from this one step alone. And while you're already inside your bank app, you can also look at your bank fees. Monthly maintenance fees, transfer fees, or any random charges that slowly eat into your money. If you find any bank fee you don't understand, reach out to your bank and ask them about it, and try to see if they can stop some of the services that keeps charging you that you don't need. Look at your credit card debt. Before you even get into credit card debt, protect yourself from it. Pay attention to your interest rates. Know your repayment dates. And never spend money on a credit card without already knowing how you'll pay it back. Control your expenses. Decide where your money goes before the month even starts. Your income should already be divided with clear percentages across your bills, investments, savings, and debt. Always remember to pay yourself first. Don't save whatever's left at the end of the month after you're done spending. Keep a percentage of your income for yourself as your savings the moment you get paid. And if you have debt, have a repayment plan. Whether you focus on the highest interest debt first or the smallest balance first, the important thing is consistency. Now, before we go on, if this video is helping you think about money differently, subscribe to Your Partner in Success. This channel is all about building a better life in practical ways and helping you achieve success with your money, growth, discipline, and mindset, all of it. And check out the other videos after this one, because they're designed to help you actually improve your life step by step and not just feel motivated for 5 minutes. All right, let's keep going. Grow your money. Now, you have to pay close attention and be careful here, because you could hear investing and think, that's for rich people, and that's very wrong. Investing is how you slowly become financially stable over time. So if your job offers a retirement match, please take it. That is literally free money. If your company says they'll match part of your contribution and you're not using it, you're literally walking away from money you already earned. So please take it. After that, look into opening a Roth IRA or an investment account. And before you overthink it, you don't need thousands of dollars to start. You can literally start small. The important thing at the beginning isn't the amount, it's building the habit. Because consistency beats intensity in money too. And when you invest, keep it simple. You do not need to become some stock market genius overnight, and you do not need to spend your life trying to predict which company will explode next year. A simple index fund is enough for most people. That's it. Simple, boring, but very effective. Because the real power in investing is time. So you don't need to wait till you have more knowledge first. Because the person who started small early enough usually wins. Not because they were smarter, but because they started. And finally, diversify your earnings. Don't treat your salary like it's supposed to carry your entire future. One source of income, one job, one paycheck, and everything depends on that. That's a risky way to live, because if that one thing slows down, everything slows down with it. So instead, the smarter move is to use what you're already earning as a starting point, not the finish line. Maybe that means starting a small business on the side, or learning a skill that people are already paying for, or building something online that grows over time, like content or a YouTube channel, or offering a service that can bring in extra income outside your job. At the same time, don't ignore the income you already have. Ask for a raise when you've earned it. Negotiate your salary. Move on to a different job if you're clearly being underpaid. At the end of the day, fixing your money isn't about becoming obsessed with spreadsheets. It's about building a life where money stops controlling your emotions, where bills don't surprise you anymore, and saving becomes normal. So you finally feel like you're moving forward instead of constantly catching up. And that's the beautiful thing. You do not need to fix everything overnight. Even one or two changes from this video can completely shift your financial direction over the next few years. So start small, build the system, and let consistency do the heavy lifting. And I'll see you in the next video.